How to turn off active status on Facebook and Messenger. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your online status so other people can't see when you're active. Start by opening the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. Next, tap your profile icon. Then tap the three-line menu in the top corner of the screen. And open Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Scroll down until you find Active Status. Tap on it and turn off the option that shows when you're active on Facebook. Keep in mind that Facebook and Messenger have separate active status settings, so you'll need to disable it in both apps if you want to appear offline everywhere. Now open the Messenger app. Tap the menu or profile icon, depending on your device, and then open Settings. At the top of the settings page, select Active Status. Turn off the option labeled Show When You're Active. Once disabled, other people won't be able to see when you're online or recently active on Messenger. When you turn off active status, you also won't be able to see when other people are active. That's how to turn off active status on Facebook and Messenger